Hey guys, so we are going to do a little bit of practice before we start writing our papers. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we are doing some no red ink practice. So this is what this looks like. It's split into two different ones, but on no red ink, it's all one assignment. So let me explain it. So in-text citations practice and using evidence practice. Okay, so when you open it, it walks you through what you need to do. Please, please, please make sure you are signed up under the correct class, right? So go to noredink.com, make sure you sign in with Sour Pony 88 or Pretty Bee 12, depending on your class period. Okay, once you're signed in, some of you are already in, and most of you are already in. So if you are, you should be good to go. And your assignment will show up as synthesis paper preparation. Okay, so here I am in synthesis paper preparation, and it's going to show up with these different things that you need to practice. Okay, so notice that there are in-text citations practice all along here, and there is evaluating evidence practice. Okay, so all of these evaluating evidence. I don't know why in-text citation also shows up down here, which is a little weird, but that's the way it is. Okay, so here's what you need to know. When I click on this, there is a lesson and there is practice. Okay, if you're not sure how to do something, please click on the lesson. It's going to walk you through it. Okay, so introduction to in-text citations. So rules for in-text citations. Place the author's last name and the page number inside parentheses at the end of the sentence. Okay, so it looks like that. Don't place commas or periods right before the closing quotation mark. Okay, so I would not put one here. Okay, place a period after the citation, so it goes here. So that is what your in-text citation should look like. Okay, citations may appear mid-sentence if necessary to differentiate cited material from the writer's opinion. Okay, I do not like this. Don't do this in my papers. I do not like it at all, but it's technically correct. Okay, rules for in-text citations. Okay. Okay, so this is actually showing that when you have a quote in the middle of your sentence, this still goes at the end. It doesn't go in the middle. Okay, so also recognize that. Okay, and let's see what else. Comma. Okay. Anyway, so this is showing you what to do with your with the in-text citations before you actually start the lesson. Okay. Then when you start the lesson, you can utilize the things that it's asked you to do. So add citation to the student's essay if necessary. So this is the original passage up here. So now this is what's in the paper. So then I would want to add the citation here. So I'm going to take the period out. I'm going to add the citation here. So we're using author's last name, right? Page number, and whoops, it's not the page number because page number 8. And then a period goes on the outside. Okay, so that's what you would do to correct this. All right, so please, 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 I am begging you to read the instructions. Look at the lessons. If you don't, this is going to take you 2 or 3 times as long to get this done. Okay, so I'm begging you, begging you, begging you to look at the instructions. Okay, so let me, one more time. Okay, I, in the grade book, split it between 2 things, in-text citations and using evidence. So you're going to have 2 different things in your grade book, in-text citations and using evidence. So when you finish all the ones that are in-text citations, when you have those done, I want you to come back here. You're going to click the button that says submit assignment. You're going to, the little box will pop up. You're going to click the one that says create. You're just going to type in it. I finished the in-text citations. Submit. Okay. Then I can go look at no red ink, make sure you got it, put it in the grade book. Okay. So that's what that looks like. And then you will do the same thing with the using evidence practice. This is the exact same thing, except it says using evidence. So you'll do the same thing there. Okay. Make sure you have the right class.